Hey healthy lovers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how I made this amazing recipe with unsweetened yogurt, and I wish I knew this recipe earlier. So I got my chicken wings all washed, and then the first thing I did was to add some salt, and then I went ahead to add a tablespoon of olive oil, and the next thing I added was my lemon juice, 1 tablespoon, and I proceeded to add in dark soy sauce, and I added 2 tablespoons of this, and then I got my clove of garlic and then I grated it, and I proceeded to add in some pepper. I love this dried grounded pepper so much because it makes the chicken really spicy. And then I went ahead to add a seasoning, and the last thing I added was 2 tablespoons of our unsweetened yogurt. My goodness, this was so lit. And after mixing it, I placed it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes just so it can marinate properly, and that is how it looked. And I proceeded to taking it over to my pan. So you can see that I added pepper paste to it, and this actually gave the chicken an amazing taste. And then please ensure after flipping this you cover your pot so as to allow it to cook properly as well as fry. So if you like this video, please do well to hit that thumbs up button to give us a like for this video, and please do well to share this video. And voila guys, here goes our yogurt seasoned pan grilled chicken wings, and it was super yummy and delicious. Do let me know if you're going to try us in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you can see me here, I had mine with my pasta and it was so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye.